Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw 2023, so let's get started. To celebrate the new year, let's first start by drawing the number 2. So I'm just going to draw a bubble number, so I'm going to come right here and I'm going to start down here and go up. So I'm just going to draw a little curve and go around and come down. So I'm going to come down and I'm not going to pass it too far. Just come about the same area and then round it off. Then I'm going to come back up right here and I'm just going to thicken everything up. So this is just meant to inspire you, Dresser Cuties. You can draw your numbers however you like. Just going to draw a very simple, general number 2. So about right here, I'm going to stop and come out. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and thicken everything up. So round it off and connect. So my goal as I draw these numbers is to try to make everything about the same width going all the way around. So now that I have my number 2, the number, the 0 right here, I'm going to just make it a heart this year. So I'm going to come right next to my 2 and say, I'm just going to make this really big heart. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to find this as my center and I'm going to come straight down to about right here, kind of where the end of the 2 is in this area, and I'll just give myself 2 points. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And from here I'm going to go ahead and go up for my heart, so right next to the 2, big fat heart. And then I'm going to draw the other side. So about right here. So just by finding the center of my heart, it just makes it easier, I feel, to draw a heart. So now you have the center and then just drawing both sides. So now that I have my 0 heart, I'm going to go ahead and draw another 2. So once again, right next to this heart. And I'm going to go ahead and use this as my template. So I'm going to come right here, go across to say about, oops, say about right here, kind of go across. So just approximate, say about right here. So I know this is where this 2 is going to be. I'm going to do the same thing here. So right here, I'm going to go around and I'm going to find the top about right here and go ahead and go around. So it just helps me, since I'm drawing pretty big, to make my 2s approximately the same size. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing like the other 2. Go around, come down at an angle, not going too far out. And once again, I'm going to find the bottom about right here and curve around. So this way I'm just approximating. Makes it a little bit easier for me to make it almost like the other 2. So just thicken everything up, and then about right there once again, about right here, same place, we're just going to go ahead and draw, extend this out and in and connect. There, so now I have my 2. So just play around with how you draw your numbers. I just find it easier for me to go this way, or just play around with it. Sometimes you might feel it's easier to go with this curve first, or however it's easier for you to start. Okay, sorry for that. So now I have my 2, now for the 3, right? Finally 2023. I'm going to go right next to our 2 once again, and I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve, and I'm going to go out. So I'm just making sure I'm about the same height and about the same width as well. So I'm just going to come down towards my center, so the 3. So my center is about right here. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point and bring in the curve. And then once again, I'm going to pop this out. And I want to end at the same level as a 2. So about right here. And I'll go ahead and fill this all in. So right next to our 2, same width as that. Same width, and we're we're just going to go around and come out for our center. And then one more right here. There, we did it, yay! So hopefully it helped you create your numbers this year. Just come back in here and smooth everything out. And that is it. So 2023, and then I'm going to spruce everything up. So I'll add a little hat right here on my heart. So I'm just going to come up right here, the 2 angles, and then let's see, let's just add a little poofy ball at the top. You can add some stripes, color it however you like right here. And then of course I'm going to bring this heart to life. So I'm going to come right about here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. Come right across about right here. So this year, just decided to make it nice and simple. Just put a heart, because I feel like we all need a lot more love this year, extra love. Okay, so then we come right here and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes, so highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. So like I said, Draw So Cuties, this is just meant to inspire you to draw 2023, and you can decorate it however you like. Okay, so I have my eyes in. I'm just going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give our heart a big smile right in the center and cap it off. There. Okay, so then I'm going to come here and there. I'll just spruce it up with some stars just to make it a little bit more festive. Maybe one here, going different directions. So what makes this drawing this year a little bit more special is maybe I'm thinking of coloring the numbers here a little bit different this year. So hopefully you love how they turn out. that's pretty much it. I really hope you love this 2023 celebration drawing here, and that I've helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.